Hello, lovely person. Today I'm going to show you how I make crispy air fryer chicken. Can you hear that sound of the skin? Very crispy, very crunchy, and the process is very easy and fast. Stay tuned until the end. We'll use the following spices: danajara, cumin spice, barbecue seasoning. Because I'm using this barbecue seasoning, I'll not be adding salt to my chicken because it has salt included. Some garlic powder, remember to adjust the seasoning, the spices, depending with the quantity of chicken that you are preparing. Then some oil that is going to act as a binder between the chicken and the spices. If you're a person who likes chili, you can also add chili flakes or smoked paprika for something mild. The chili flakes will be for people who like very hot pepper. Using clean hands, we are going to rub or massage the spices into the chicken. Make sure you use clean hands, or you can wear gloves if you don't like touching raw chicken. Wear gloves. Massage thoroughly to ensure that every ounce of the chicken is coated with the spices, so that whenever you bite into the chicken, you get a well seasoned chicken piece. See how mine are? This is how we want them to be. Then after that, we're going to cover and let it sit for at least 1 hour or overnight in the fridge. It's been 1 hour and 30 minutes for me. I'm going now to transfer them into the air fryer. Still checking if they are well coated. You see everything is coated well. I'll be using a grease-proof paper in the air fryer just to avoid the chicken from sticking on the air fryer, which also helps in terms of when I'm washing the air fryer, it makes it easier. Try and make sure that the chicken pieces are not on top of each other, such that when they are cooking, they cook simultaneously and none will be raw while others are already cooked. Personally, I'm going to set my temperature at 180, between 170 and 180 degrees, and then I'll start with 20 minutes as a beginning. So this is after the first 20 minutes according to the air fryer timer. We are going to flip them so that this other side also cooks and starts now the crispy process. Then we're going to put them back in for another 20 minutes. This is after the first 20 minutes. Look at how golden they've become, but they are still not yet crispy. If you don't want crispy skin, you can remove them from here, they're okay. But if you want it to become more crispy, you return it back in for another, let's say, 10 minutes. Then after the final 10 minutes, we are done. See how crispy that looks like? Let me do a test for you. I'll run through a knife so that you can hear the sound. You hear it? It's very crispy. And we are done. You can have this with French fries, baked potatoes. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.